Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 70 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So whenever you want to personalize the contact, just add a profile picture, a poster to it. To do it, you need to open your phone dialer, then go to contacts. If you are not in this panel, select the contact that you want to customize, mark edit and click add picture. Now you can either open your camera and grab a photo right now, you can pick something from your gallery, you can create monogram or pick some illustration, however you prefer. I'll go with on-device photos, for example this one. Now you can customize it however you like, you can rotate it if you want, zoom it in, out and mark choose then. Tap on save and that's it, that would be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.